It's AumSum time!
Why does smoking make us cough?
'Cause our body wants burgers, not cigarette smoke.
Oh, AumSum. Our respiratory system consists of mucus and hair-like projections called cilia. When we breathe, mucus helps us trap harmful substances like germs, dust, etc., whereas cilia help us to expel these harmful substances out of our respiratory system. However, when we smoke, we inhale thousands of chemicals. These chemicals damage or even paralyze the cilia, causing them to lose their ability to expel harmful substances. So, these substances remain in our respiratory system. Hence, in order to remove these harmful substances, our body makes us cough. Also note that sometimes this cough gets worse in the morning. Why? Because during sleep, the cilia begin to repair themselves and start expelling the harmful substances. Now, to remove all the harmful substances, our body starts coughing more in the morning. Why does smoking cause dark lips?
'Cause cigarettes contain black lipsticks.
No. Our skin contains melanocytes, which produce a pigment called melanin. Melanin gives our skin its color and also absorbs the sun's ultraviolet radiation, thus protecting us from skin-related diseases. Now, when we smoke, we inhale and exhale harmful chemicals like nicotine and benzopyrenes, especially from our mouth. So, experts believe that perhaps as a protective mechanism, our melanocytes produce more melanin in our lips, gums, etc. to protect us from the harmful effects of these chemicals. This leads to hyperpigmentation, thus causing our lips to turn into a darker shade. Also, while smoking, as we repeatedly purse or pucker our lips to inhale the smoke, it eventually creates wrinkles on our lips. These wrinkles accompanied by dark lips are referred to as smoker's lips. What happens to our lungs when we smoke?
They turn colorful.
No. Whenever we smoke cigarettes, we inhale a mix of about 4,000 harmful chemicals. These chemicals cause swelling of bronchial tubes present in our lungs, thus resulting in excess production of mucus. Also, they damage hair-like projections called cilia, whose function is to push out the excess mucus. As a result, the bronchial tubes get clogged. This leads to persistent coughing as our body attempts to clear the mucus, thus eventually causing chronic bronchitis. Secondly, these chemicals also damage tiny air sacs called alveoli present in our lungs. This reduces the amount of oxygen entering our blood, thus causing a condition called emphysema. Note that chronic bronchitis and emphysema are collectively called chronic obstructive pulmonary disease, or COPD. COPD is irreversible and incurable. Lastly, some of these chemicals can also damage the DNA present in the cells of bronchial tubes and alveoli, thus leading to lung cancer. Why do people smoke?
Because they love coughing.
No. Teens or young adults start smoking primarily because it feels glamorous and exciting. Watching Friends as well as movie actors influences them as well. Cigarettes contain tobacco, which contain a highly addictive chemical called nicotine. When taken in, nicotine enters the bloodstream and quickly travels to the brain, releasing feel-good chemicals and removing unpleasant feelings. This helps adult smokers to cope with stress and stay focused. Shortly after completing the cigarette, a smoker starts feeling irritated and anxious. He starts feeling a mild nicotine withdrawal. On smoking the next cigarette, nicotine reaches the brain in less than 10 seconds, instantly giving a pleasant feeling and sense of calmness. This makes it very difficult to stop as the person starts becoming emotionally and mentally dependent on nicotine. This leads to many people becoming chain smokers, needing multiple cigarettes a day.